the work that I do in the world is all about soul growth. And our soul is the central point for all of our life experiences. At least that's what my belief system tells me and my experience tells me. And so that means that all of our experiences of wealth, for example, start in our soul. And with this kind of a breathing practice where you can feel that spaciousness within you, my understanding and my belief and experience is that we're touching on the spaciousness of the soul. And so I'm wondering, here's my question for you. I'm wondering, how do you see yourself using this tremendously simple and profound practice for your wealth expansion?